Morning guys, it's July 8th, 2026. So anyway, I got a call from a guy. He's got a boiler. He lost power and now his boiler's not working. He said he thinks the control got fried. I told him about the neutral thing. Supposedly they got it straightened out, but we'll find out. He's got no low voltage on the control, from what he said. That's what happens, you know. They lose power coming into the house. They lose the neutral, and then they one leg could be higher voltage than the other leg with no neutral. But been running into that recently. We'll see. We'll see if it's got 120 volts going to it. It's gonna need to more than that. I won't put a control in there because it's gonna fry it, right?
In 1.5 miles.
I put a control in it, it's gonna fry it. 143. No good. So as soon as they get the new wire put in, I can come back and put a control in.
Alright.
If I put one in, I'm just gonna burn it out.
I know, I'm just at the mercy of Venstar. This has already been going on a week.
Yeah, but you know what I'm saying?
No, I know what you're saying, yeah.
I don't want to put it as not a cheap control. And it's not gonna last at 140.
No.
You got a bad neutral somewhere.
Yeah, it's not the house because we tested all that, so.
Well, it shouldn't be 140 coming in.
Nope.
120. The neutral wire comes to this pole, and it comes through all these trees at that other pole. It's probably in here. They gotta trim all these trees and run a new wire. Got a bad neutral. What a flipping mess. Can't put a control in there until they straighten it out. Look at the fucking all the wires running through the trees.